Toyota is preparing to enter the rapidly evolving small truck category with its next head-turning Toyota Stout, and anticipation is rising. So Ford revived this category with the Maverick, and a lot of car makers have rushed to take advantage of this opportunity, but none have really entirely dethroned Ford yet. Well, introducing the Stout, a tiny little truck that's prepared to compete with, if not outperform, Ford's champion. So, let's dive into the nitty-gritty of the Stout and find out if it can outperform any other pick-em-up truck. So, the Ford Maverick has definitely won over a lot of fans with its low price point and its ease of use. Given its impressiveness, the Maverick doesn't come without any problems. It's kinda typical for new trucks, particularly first model year trucks, to have anomalies and some issues. Maverick owners have reported transmission issues as well as build quality complaints. Toyota, on the other hand, is taking steps to completely change the game. See, Toyota is recognized for its reliability and is releasing a vehicle that shines in every category, from powertrain options and towing capacity to safety and even a robust design. Toyota's got a really strong track record for endurance, and the Stout is expected to follow in the footsteps of tried-and-true platforms, such as the RAV4. According to reports, the Stout's architecture will be largely influenced by the RAV4, a car with years of endurance and finesse. This is going to be far more than just a new truck. This is the result of Toyota's decades of technical knowledge in a small powerhouse. For anybody looking for a ride that'll last without the stress of costly repairs or recalls, the Stout could be the obvious pick. Toyota's hybrid powertrains are already industry leaders, and the Stout is meant to build on this tradition. Toyota's powertrains have been tuned in for over 25 years, guaranteeing that you get a truck that's not only efficient, but it's also strong and reliable. Okay, let's talk about some powertrain options here. So, the Toyota Stout surpasses its competition in terms of powertrain options. While the Ford Maverick and the Hyundai Santa Cruz only provide 2 choices, Toyota's willing to offer up to 5, making the Stout a highly flexible market participant. First, there's the proven 2.5-liter hybrid powertrain from the Toyota RAV4. This tech combines a 4-cylinder engine with electric motors to provide an incredible 219 horsepower and excellent fuel economy, averaging 41 miles to the gallon in the city and 38 on the interstate. This makes it efficient and reliable, 2 qualities that Toyota fans have come to expect from their builds. Toyota may also offer a smaller hybrid powertrain with a 2-liter engine, adding to the Stout's place as an environmentally friendly option. Oh, and if raw power's more your thing, Toyota doesn't hold back. The 2.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, which produces 265 horsepower, guarantees that the Stout can operate firmly on roads and construction sites everywhere. A typically aspirated 2.5-liter engine producing 203 horsepower is intended as a reliable base choice for more economical customers. Toyota may even offer a plug-in hybrid option, similar to the RAV4 Prime, that produces an incredible 300 horsepower. This broad range of powertrain options guarantees that there's a Stout for just about everybody, regardless of whether you prioritize fuel economy, power, or a combination of the two. Before we kick it into our next gear, please show your support by clicking on that like and subscribe button. Alright, back on topic. Toyota has also continued to set the norm in terms of safety. While the Ford Maverick provides sufficient present safety technology in its smaller versions, Toyota constantly exceeds expectations. The Stout will most likely be equipped with Toyota Safety Sense, which is a complete suite of driver assistance systems that includes pedestrian detection, lane departure warning, lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, and traffic sign recognition. These features will most certainly be standard or even the cheapest models, making the Stout one of the safest selections in the market. Higher versions of the Stout may also contain additional safety features that Ford doesn't provide in the Maverick. Optional features such as a surround view camera system and an electronic rearview mirror with an integrated camera might make the Stout the most technologically equipped compact truck for safety. Toyota has always prioritized driver and passenger safety, and the Stout's going to continue to build on that tradition. When it comes to design, the Stout is certain to turn heads. Unlike the Ford Maverick's functional and rather conservative design, or the Hyundai Santa Cruz's crossover-like appearance, the Toyota Stout chooses a bold and rough exterior that reflects its truck DNA. Initial images show a strong grille, large fender flares, and ranged ground clearance, giving the Stout a rather intimidating look for its price point. Huge wheels and strong lines emphasize that this truck is built for performance rather than appearance. On the inside, the cabin will probably provide the perfect combination of modern tech and practical functionality. Seating for 5 people makes the Stout suitable for families, while clever storage options such as foldable rear seats and underseat compartments increase its usability. A touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Bluetooth connectivity will improve your driving experience, whether you're traveling or going on a weekend adventure. Those in search of an adventure, take note. Toyota's planning a special off-road focused version of the Stout, the TRD Pro. This model is likely to be packed with features that'll make it an impressive off-road vehicle. An improved suspension system absorbs bumps and provides additional ground clearance, while a locking rear differential and a 2-speed transfer gearbox provide traction on even the most difficult terrain. All-terrain tires, skid plates, and special TRD badging give the TRD Pro an aggressive appearance that matches its off-road ability. While not as tough as Toyota's larger Tacoma or Tundra, the Stout TRD Pro will provide a unique off-road experience in its class, attracting those desiring an adventure yet prefer the comforts of a smaller truck. Towing is another area where the Stout is likely to be successful. While the hybrid version will likely have limited towing abilities, gas-powered alternatives, particularly those with turbocharged engines, are expected to outperform the Ford Maverick. Toyota sources believe that the base Stout will pull at least 2,500 pounds, which is above the Maverick's 2,000-pound limit. Who knows, turbocharged versions might even be able to pull 5,000 pounds, putting the Stout in direct rivalry with the Hyundai Santa Cruz and bringing it closer to the midsize truck category. Toyota ensures that the Stout provides the power required for actual work and play by combining reliable engines with a lightweight chassis. Toyota knows the need for cost more than anybody else. The Ford Maverick's starting price of under $23,000 has had a significant role in the truck's popularity. To compete, Toyota is going to price the Stout in a similar manner, making it affordable to those on a budget. Nevertheless, Toyota has another advantage: resale value. Toyota vehicles are known for their greater capacity to maintain their value over time compared to almost all other brands. Whether you intend to keep the Stout for years or trade it in later on, you can be certain that it's going to remain a sound investment. In the long run, the Stout's more than just another small truck. It's an authoritative argument in a fast-growing category. With its famous reliability, multiple powertrain options, advanced safety features, tough styling, and great towing capabilities, the Stout's shaping up to be the most attractive competitor to the Ford Maverick. Toyota has taken everything drivers appreciate about small trucks and pushed it all to the next level. Will the Stout dethrone the Maverick as the king of compact trucks? Well, only time's gonna tell, but one thing's clear: Toyota's return to the small truck market is going to make it difficult for its rivals. So, if you're looking for a truck that has performance, style, and practicality, the Stout is the one to watch. So what do you think? Do you think the Stout's gonna change the game? And which manufacturer do you usually prefer, Toyota or Ford? Make sure you drop your thoughts in the comments down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in our next video.